Most people say be more optimistic. That sounds great and all, but it can actually backfire. Imagine you were working at a company and then the sales forecaster says, "This is bad. If we don't do this quick enough, we might lose so many sales that our company will go bankrupt." Somebody optimistic would likely say, "Don't worry. If we work hard enough, I believe we can do this." Motivational, yes, but in reality, that's not what you'd want in that situation. The main reason is that it hides the main problem. It isn't solving the main problem, it's just coping. That's why become an opportunist. An opportunist doesn't deny the problem like an optimist, but they also don't make the situation worse like a pessimist. They always look for the opportunities in everything. Going back to the example, the opportunist would ask, what valuable lessons can we extract from this situation? This mindset is really powerful because it allows you to learn from anything. There is no good or bad situation, only a lesson. For them, failure doesn't mean something didn't work. Failure is when they stop learning from their mistakes and give up. So, how do we apply this in everyday life? Simple example, you spill your coffee. Instead of letting it ruin your day or saying, "It's fine, I'll just wash it later," you ask, "Hmm, what does this situation say about me?" That'll lead to an insight. Hmm, maybe I just need to be more careful and pay more attention next time. From every situation you experience, from everything that happens to us, there will always be something to learn from it.